Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to cover the severe weather update for tonight, as well as look at models which could suggest an active severe weather streak for the next 10 to 15 days. Anyway, never mind that. So I'm gonna start by taking a look at the current watches in the mornings. First of all, we got some frost and freeze warnings in the northeast. You see the light blue, this light blue, that's a freeze warning, and this darker blue, this is a frost advisory. Got some in the southeast too, and flooding going on all the way from the beginning of April. We got flooding going on along the Mississippi Valley, lower Mississippi Valley, including flash flooding. Some fire weather going on if you go into the northern high plains, and severe weather going on over the Intermountain West. So central Idaho, northeastern Oregon, and western Montana, you got a severe thunderstorm watch for your area. Got a few severe thunderstorm warnings in here. So, I'm gonna go to the current conditions and see what we have. So, we have, first of all, we have high pressure over the east. Just got a dry line here that's bringing a few snow flurries to the northeast. Otherwise, high pressure. So practically all the east is under high pressure, apart from this cold front swing in southern Florida. We got a system in North Dakota. Swinging a warm front here, bringing some showers to the Midwest, upper Midwest. And I got a cold front trailing back here. That's severe weather firing along it. We got severe weather firing along this front, mainly in this area. Got severe weather going on. I also got a dry line with high pressure building in across the southwest, but a dry line proceeding here, and this will combine to make an area of strong storms in the next few days across this area, possibly impacting the northeast, but probably few of these will be severe. Now I'm gonna go to the Storm Prediction Center. So the Storm Prediction Center, they got a slight risk for tonight. So it's covering portions of northeastern Oregon, extreme southeastern Washington, central Idaho, in much of northern Montana. Also, if you go south here, got a C text for southeastern Florida. There could be some few strong storms remaining as the cold front is swinging out back here. For wind, hang on a second. Okay, here we go. So for wind, we got a 15% area across much of this area, and 5% means weaker wind and less threat. Also, chance of wind here. And hail, a little bit less on area, pretty much for the area where, it's not including this area, the hail spread, but still there could be some hail in this area. Not of a tornado spread though, as you see, it's less than 2% for all areas. Now I'm gonna go to the day 2 outlook, and no severe storms into forecast for day 2, but there's a chance of some strong storms in this 5% area, especially I think if you go along the Great Lakes, Marquette, and Lansing, Green Bay. That's where you could see some strong storms, as well as Duluth, Minnesota. This area more isolated. And as for the day 3 outlook, so we got strong storms in the mid-Atlantic region as well as the mid-South. As you can see, we got small 5% area for central Texas, as well as southern Pennsylvania, Maryland, northern Virginia, northern West Virginia, and extreme east central Ohio. This is Wednesday, I think. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah. So by Thursday, I think this 5% area will move east, so possibly here along the coast, like New Jersey, southern New York, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and possibly eastern Massachusetts. You could be seeing some strong storms, and then this area will sprout, I think, as the week goes on. Now, I'm gonna go to the day 4 to 8 outlook, and the Storm Prediction Center has actually issued a outlook for day 6. Now, the outline area for day 6, this is Saturday, including southeastern Nebraska, central Kansas, central Oklahoma, northwestern Missouri, and western Iowa. So, there could be some significant severe weather going on in this area. Also, models do not seem to suggest this will be very likely, so pretty doubtful this was issued. I'm not sure exactly why this was issued, because the models don't seem to be showing it that likely. Anyway, I'm going to change the color here. So, sorry about the pause. So I'm gonna, since I show you the Storm Prediction Center, and I'm gonna show you the current watches now before I proceed to the models. I have one hail report near Missoula, Montana, but nothing more. But I think it could be a few more reports tonight. So, got a severe thunderstorm watch number 159 in effect for northeastern Oregon, southeastern Washington, central Idaho, and west central, north central Montana. I think before it was extending a little bit into this area. I think they shortened it a bit. Some moderate threat for damaging wind and moderate threat for large hail, low threat for significant damaging wind or significant hail, and a low threat for tornadoes, very low threat for strong tornadoes. But strongest storms forming here, kind of east had with this storm, had a report earlier in here. This is all moving east, northeast, along the cold front, which is pretty much here. We do have a related mass-scale discussion, which says severe weather threat continues across Weather Watch 159. Hatched area is greatest threat area in central Idaho, western Montana. So as you see here, this area has the greatest threat for severe weather. Although this little area, cannot be completely ruled out from a lot more severe weather throughout the rest of the evening and early night hours. Now, I'm gonna go to the models. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with showing you the GFS. Oh, hang on a second, I'm gonna click here where I needed to. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the GFS. So as you see here, got a trough getting out of the northeast, very cold air. So as you see here, by Wednesday, There's a chance of severe weather across the eastern Rockies, at least strong storms, not necessarily severe in this area. As well as this system, which is currently out here, producing severe weather in Canada and over the Great Lakes. Be right back. Be right back. Hang on a second. Sorry for frequent pausing. Had to check on one thing. Anyways, so we gotta put this for Thursday. So for Thursday, there's a in the early hours of Thursday. Let's say somewhere in the morning, Thursday morning, in the early afternoon. There's a little bit bigger threat for strong severe storms. So first of all, in the Ohio Valley could be strong to isolated severe storms in this area. This. As well as here on the coast. And then another area here in Mid-South. And more up here for some showers. And I'm gonna get to Friday evening. This is Friday evening. A few isolated strong supercells forming from North Dakota down to Oklahoma and Iowa. As well as down here, could be isolated severe weather, but some isolated significant severe weather. And then on Saturday, severe weather continues continues across the northern tier of the country. Let's say from Montana to Minnesota, it could be getting serious weather, but not in this area. You see, by Sunday, that's when this severe weather. That's when this area, which the SPC outlined, begins to get involved. First of all, in the southeast, the mid-Atlantic region, something, and then here you get some very strong storms, isolated but very strong. This is still far ahead, but this will be something we need to watch. Sorry about that. I really need to speed this up because I have a little time left. Sorry, this will be a little bit rushed. So you see, by next week you get more storms forming across the Mississippi River Valley. And then that continues in the week after this one. The system continues. I'm sorry for the pausing again. Just can't make this without pause. So this severe weather threat continues in the next week, according to GFS. So next week might be active, but it's far out. Quickly taking a quicker look at the euro. Unload. Okay. So quick look at the euro. Still, does show a bit of strong storms in the northeast this week. Maybe isolated severe. And then continuing into the weekend, more storms across the northern parts of the country. Slowly spreading over the central parts, and eventually by next week, a lot of severe weather possible. You see by this map, continuing into the east and possible northeast. Also, this is very far out. Might be the first severe weather outbreak for the northeast, but this is very far out. So I didn't make any outlooks for this, but all in all, pretty much I agree with the Storm Projection Center. By the way, you have a new outlook album I was talking, and pretty much still the same as what I was before, except there's no C text here. So pretty much I agree with what they say, and best chance for severe weather be in northern Montana certain nights. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and please do not forget to check my summer forecast number 3, which is coming out tomorrow evening. Summer forecast number 3 will be out, as well as my newsletter, which will be out on Wednesday. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your Monday evening. Bye.